Did you know that ClickFunnels is more than just a funnel builder? In this video, I'll show you how the ClickFunnels CRM system works, and why it's a powerful tool to grow and manage your online business. So, what exactly is a CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and in ClickFunnels 2.0, it's built directly into your dashboard. It helps you track leads, segment your audience, follow up with contacts, and manage sales, all without needing an extra tool or integration. Here's what makes ClickFunnels CRM powerful. First, contact profiles. Every time someone opts into your funnel, buys a product, or interacts with your site, ClickFunnels creates a detailed contact profile. You can see their name, email, purchase history, behavior, and tags, all in one place. Second, smart segmentation. Using tags and custom fields, you can organize your contacts based on their actions. Want to send a promo only to people who watched your webinar? Easy. Want to follow up with leads who didn't buy yet? Just filter and send. Third, built-in automation. ClickFunnels CRM connects directly with automation workflows. That means you can trigger emails, add tags, move people into sequences, or notify your team automatically. Fourth, sales tracking. You can track exactly how much revenue each contact has generated. Know your top customers, abandoned carts, and new leads in real time. Fifth, unified platform. Unlike using multiple tools that don't talk to each other, ClickFunnels CRM is fully integrated with your funnels, products, email campaigns, and workflows. It's all connected. So whether you're running a small business, launching a course, or managing affiliate leads, the ClickFunnels CRM gives you full control of your customer journey, from opt-in to conversion and beyond. Right finger, want to try it yourself? Check the video description for a free ClickFunnels trial and CRM setup checklist. Right finger, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, automation tips, and online business strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.